Okay, loss of sines. So for loss of sines, if you have an oblique triangles with angles alpha, beta, and gamma with their corresponding sides, meaning the sides that are opposite to these angles, we have side A and side B and side C. Loss of sine states that the proportions now of these sides over the sine of their corresponding angles are equivalent. So we have here, no, it could be A over sine alpha equals B over sine beta equals C over sine gamma. Or it could be the reciprocal, which is sine alpha over A equals sine beta over B sine gamma over C. Let's have our first example. Solve the triangle with the given angles. Alpha equals 42 degrees, beta equals 64 degrees, and side A equals 4. Okay, so this is under case 1, wherein two angles are given and a side. So for if you have two angles, you can solve right away. No, you can solve right away the third angle, because we know that the sum of the three angles, alpha, beta, plus gamma, is equal to 180. So in this case, we want to solve for the gamma. So the gamma is equal to 180 degrees minus the sum of alpha plus beta. And that is 180 minus 42 degrees plus 64 degrees. And that is equal to 74 degrees. Next, if you want to use the law of sines, the idea of law of sine is that nakay pares-pares. Now, you have the angle and its corresponding side. So in this case, they have the alpha. Okay, we have the alpha and the side A as a pair. So that would mean we could solve any other sides because we already have the beta and the gamma. So first, let's try to solve for side B. So to solve for side B, we have A over sine alpha equals B over sine beta. So since we want to solve for B, that would mean our B is equal to A sine beta over sine alpha. So substituting the values, you have 4 sine 64 degrees over sine 42. Okay. And B is now equal to 5.373. All right. Now, next for the side C, okay, so we will make use of the gamma. Okay, so still we have A over sine alpha is equal to C over sine gamma. So C is now equal to A sine gamma over sine alpha. So C is now equal to 4 sine 74 over sine 42. So C is now equal to, we have 5.746. And that's it.